Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Cupid Whispers Tarot. This gonna be your February month overall tarot reading. The external and internal energies that are likely to influence your life this month will be revealed in this reading. For this reading, I'm using Druidcraft Tarot and Inspirational Wisdom Oracle. I have already infused these decks with the energy of Pisces. If you like my contents, you can show your support by subscribing to my channel. Now let's see what cards come up for your February month energy. Dear Spirit Guide, please connect with the Spirit Guides of those Pisces watching this video. Because this is a general reading, it may not resonate with every Pisces watching this video, so take the messages that resonate and discard the rest, okay? So we have Three of Pentacles, then we have the Fool, the Magician, Nine of Swords, Two of Cups, and Ace of Cups from Tarot. With the card Three of Pentacles, I feel some of you will be engrossed in accomplishing a work, and I'm hearing, though you think you are a beginner in this field, you are blessed with talent and skills. You will grab others' attention and praise for this activity or the task that you are going to accomplish in the month of February. You picked up the pace of activity in the month of February. For others, I feel if you are given a task or a project and you feel you need help of others to accomplish it within the given time, don't worry. You don't have to do it alone. Support is at your hand. Expect satisfaction and rewards as you accomplish this activity. For others, I feel your mutual friend or any third person bringing you and another person very close. It may be your new love, or this person may be someone you already know, but due to some misunderstanding, there is a communication gap between two of you, and this third person is bridging the gap by reconnecting you both again. Expect the gap getting smaller, and if you think this person is not into you or doesn't love you, it's wrong. They do love you very much. The Fool card tells me that this month will bring new love, reunion, and you may be surrounded by the feelings of excitement and nervousness at the same time. Falling in love with this person may enkindle these butterfly feelings. And with the Magician card, I'm hearing what you free frees you. This is a significant message for Pisces. If you can relate with this message in any way, do let me know in the comment section, as spirits are not sharing anything more than that for the Magician card. The only thing I'm hearing is what you free frees you. This is the only thing that I'm hearing, guys. Of course, freedom is viewed and defined differently by different people. So what is making you feel stuck will no longer makes you feel stuck. I'm strongly hearing the word liberation. I'm also sensing that good news regarding animals is coming for Pisces. For some of you, I also feel you may be the lucky person to rescue an animal. The universe will give you a precious gift this month. Be open to receiving that. Okay? As far as other aspects of your life are concerned, you find it really difficult to trust people. I say you have changed your way of interacting with people. You are in a mood to concentrate on your career and to invest your energy and time doing something productive in the month of February. People around you will notice your dedication and hard work. You are working with a highly effective team but expect criticism from your competitor. Not everyone will recognize your efficiency or hard work, but you will be noticed for speeding up the work. Gradually, you are moving towards excellence in your skill. The feeling of bereavement, deprivation is leaving. Life is giving you opportunities to say goodbye to anything that made you feel heavy and instilled a sense of fear in you to move forward. It's time to believe that those unpleasant memories are now far behind. You have a better understanding about life now. It's time to feel inseparable and oneness and not separation. So, this Nine of Swords energy is just becoming weaker and weaker for Pisces in the month of February. For most of you, I feel it's a new person, new love, but for some, this can be someone you used to get along in past. Um, they are making efforts to rebuild this connection with dedication, love, and honesty, and that's why we have Two of Cups and Ace of Cups. I see you getting into a relationship with someone who is very much serious about you. They love you, they want to marry you. You are very precious to them. They love to travel, and I'm strongly feeling they are a foreigner, or maybe they are relocated nearby your location. You probably met them during a trip or on social media or through a mutual friend. They are most probably fire or earth signs. They are extremely hardworking, and the word laziness doesn't exist in their dictionary. They want to know you more, and they are trying their best to make you believe in love again. They are moving towards you with this intention. So now I will pull one last advice card for Pisces. I have already infused this deck with the energy of Pisces. If you love my contents, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I often offer free readings to my followers. Okay, so we have I give you star dreams, which says, feel blessed and know that the troubles that have followed you are now far behind. As I said throughout the video, the energy of separation, bereavement, loss, deprivation is disappearing in the month of February for Pisces. Things are changing and evolving. If you had faced harsh words, negative criticisms in both your professional and personal life, that jealousy and unpleasant vibes are losing its power as you are rising above them, and these energies will be replaced by love, cooperation, coordination, support, and abundance. That's what your spirit guides want to tell you. So overall, I see beautiful energies are emerging for Pisces in the month of February. Okay, so here I end the reading for Pisces for the month of February. If this reading resonates, do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.